There are very few pieces of hardware that manage to completely disrupt the photography and videography world before they even hit store shelves, but sitting right here on my desk is the one camera every professional, wildlife shooter, sports creator, and hybrid storyteller across America has been whispering about for months. This isn't just an incremental upgrade or a minor spec bump. What Canon has packed inside this newly designed weather-sealed chassis bridges the absolute gap between high-end professional cinema gear and the blazing speed of flagship sports flagships. If you thought crop sensor cameras were meant to be entry-level or secondary bodies, what we are about to pull out of this box is going to change your entire perspective on modern mirrorless engineering. Stay with me, because over the next few minutes, we are slicing through the security tape, stripping away the protective layers, putting every custom dial and button through real-world stress tests, and answering the massive question everyone is asking: did Canon just build the ultimate APS-C powerhouse of the decade? Take a close look at this box. Canon switched to a striking, stealth matte black packaging designed for this generation, completely abandoning the traditional white and red retail look. The weight of the box alone tells you that something substantial is packed inside. As you run your fingers across the front, the product name is embossed with a high-gloss UV coating that catches the light. This is our very first tangible proof that Canon is positioning this camera directly into the prosumer and professional tier. Let's break the tamper-evident seals on the sides. As those security stickers peel back, the outer sleeve slides off with a satisfying vacuum resistance. Lifting the primary lid reveals the classic black protective cardboard folding architecture. Nestled securely inside a heavy molded pulp containment tray is the body of the brand new Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Before we touch the camera itself, let's lift out the accessory layer hidden directly beneath. Inside the recessed cardboard compartments, Canon has provided a complete suite of professional gear. First, we have the heavy-duty LPE6P high-capacity battery pack, engineered specifically to handle the immense power draws of the next-generation sensor and real-time AI processing units. Next is the dedicated battery charger with fold-out wall prongs, accompanied by a heavy-gauge braided USB-C data and charging cable. You also get a thick, premium woven neck strap embroidered with bold red EOS branding, along with all your regional documentation and warranty cards tailored for the North American market. And now, let's set the accessories aside and pick up the star of the show. I am going to slide off the protective frosted paper wrapping from the camera body. The moment you grip the hand grip, you immediately notice the ergonomic overhaul. Canon listened closely to feedback from the original R7 users. The grip is deeper, more contoured, and features a high-friction rubberized texture that locks securely into your palm, even if you are shooting out in heavy rain or freezing conditions with thick gloves. The overall chassis is forged from a rigid magnesium alloy shell, offering complete weather sealing against dust, moisture, and extreme environmental elements. Let's look at the rear control layout, because this is where a massive quality-of-life change has taken place. Canon completely redesigned the controversial combined thumb dial and joystick from the first generation. On the EOS R7 Mark II, we now have a dedicated, low-profile multi-controller joystick positioned right where your thumb naturally rests, completely separated from the rear control dial. Surrounding the dial is a crisp, responsive mechanical switch that gives you absolute, tactile control without any accidental slips while tracking fast-moving subjects. On the top plate, the layout is clean, purposeful, and intuitive. We have a weighted mode dial with a central lock button to prevent accidental shifts in high-stress shooting. Environments, dual customizable command dials, and a dedicated video to stills toggle switch that instantly changes your configuration profiles with a flick of your index finger. Let's check out the media storage slots on the side door. Canon upgraded the card door mechanism with a reinforced hinge and a positive lock latch. When you swing it open, you are greeted by a high-speed dual card slot configurati. On one slot built for blazing fast CF Express Type B cards, and a second slot for high-capacity UHS-2 SD cards. This dual setup gives professional shooters the flexibility to simultaneously write high-bitrate RAW video or high-speed burst sequences to the CF Express card while backing up JPEGs or proxies to the SD card. On the opposite side of the body, protected by thick, weather-sealed rubber flaps, is a comprehensive array of professional ports. We have a full-sized HDMI port for clean external monitor output, a dedicated USB-C port that supports fast in-camera power delivery and tethered shooting, a flash sync terminal, an independent 3.5mm microphone and headphone jacks for pristine multi-channel audio monitoring during video production. Let's flip the camera around to the back and examine the display and viewfinder. The electronic viewfinder is an ultra-high-resolution OLED panel running at a blistering 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a crystal-clear, zero-blackout view of your composition. Below that sits a fully articulated vari-angle touchscreen LCD. Whether you are shooting extreme low-angle macro shots near the forest floor, filming vertical content for social platforms, or turning the screen around to monitor yourself during a solo studio shoot, the hinge mechanism is stiff, robust, and holds its position firmly without sagging. Let's mount a high-performance RF lens onto the lens mount, twist it until it clicks into place with a reassuring metallic snap, and power the camera on using the mechanical switch of the moment the camera fires up. The dual-pixel CMOS AF system engages instantly. But to truly understand why the EOS R7 Mark II is causing massive shockwaves across the tech and photography industries, we have to look at the groundbreaking engineering hidden beneath the lens mount. Canon built this camera around an advanced high-resolution sensor paired with a secondary dedicated hardware processor chip. This hardware architecture enables blistering electronic shutter speeds, achieving up to 40 frames per second of completely blackout-free continuous burst shooting. When you are shooting fast-moving wildlife, soaring birds of prey, or high-speed motorsports on a racetrack, capturing the exact microsecond of impact or action is effortless. Even better, Canon included raw burst pre-capture mode. The moment you press your shutter button halfway down, the camera continuously buffers images into temporary memory. When you fully depress the shutter, it saves the frames captured up to half a second before you even click the button. That means even if human reaction times are a fraction too slow, the camera has already captured the exact moment a bird launches off a branch or a race car crosses the starting line. The autofocus tracking algorithms have also received a massive next-generation leap. Powered by deep learning artificial intelligence, the camera doesn't just track human eyes and faces, it features dedicated tracking modes for dogs, cats, birds, horses, cars, motorcycles, trains, and airplanes. Once the autofocus box locks onto a subject's eye or helmet, it sticks like glue even if the subject turns around, moves behind tree branches, or dart across the frame at erratic angles. Let's switch the mode dial over to video, because the cinematic capabilities packed into this crop sensor body are genuinely staggering. The EOS R7 Mark II supports uncropped, oversampled 4K video recording at up to high frame rates, alongside professional 10-bit color depth using Canon Log3 and HDR-PQ profiles. This gives filmmakers incredible dynamic range and color grading flexibility in post-production, allowing you to pull rich shadow details and protect bright highlights even in harsh lighting conditions. Furthermore, the in-body image stabilization system combines seamlessly with optical IS lenses to provide up to 8 stops of shake correction. When you are walking alongside a moving subject or shooting handheld at long telephoto focal lengths, the footage looks like it was captured on a motorized gimbal or a professional fluid head tripod. Micro jitters are completely smoothed out, giving your cinematic projects an ultra-polished, high-end look. When you pack all of this technology, whether sealed magnesium build, dual card slots, blazing 40 frames per second pre-capture bursts, advanced AI autofocus, and professional 10-bit video workflows into an ergonomic form factor, the EOS R7 Mark II redefines what creators can accomplish. Without needing a bulky, expensive full-frame cinema rig, from the satisfying unboxing experience to the sheer speed of its hardware processing, this camera stands as an absolute masterpiece of modern engineering. Whether you are stepping up your professional content creation game or looking for the ultimate hybrid tool for your studio, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II delivers uncompromising performance on every single front.